Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kaydeena's YouTube channel. We have a shoebox appeal on the way. Now we are going to gift children of Syria with our filled shoeboxes. Now we need to make sure that we fill it up with the right things. Now what does that mean? And we need to make sure that we wrap it with the right type of wrapping paper. What does that mean? And we need to make sure we label it correctly. What does that mean? Okay, so first of all, you need to decide who you want to give your shoebox to. Is it somebody that's your age? Is it somebody that's younger than you? Is it somebody that's older than you? Think about all the ideas that can come together with when you're filling up these shoeboxes. Now, the shoebox that I'm going to show you in my video is for a girl who is between 11 and 14 years old. So I've made sure my wrapping paper is not too childish, it's not too old, it's still quite fun and quite plain at the same time. And I've made sure that I've labelled it correctly as well, and I've made sure I've put a rubber band around it so it can be checked. In this video, I've used a standard shoebox. Now, standard shoebox is a lid that comes away from the actual box, so I can actually do them both separately. So I've wrapped the box separately to the lid, and it's easy to come on and off. The other type of box I used, in my other video, you will see that I have used a box with a flappable lid, and it's all in one. It's not detachable. Okay, so with this one, this is a standard shoebox, and if that's what you got, you need to be watching this. Follow on from here. Just make sure you follow the instructions that is given to you on the poster. So if it says don't fill with something, don't fill with it. If it does say do fill with something, then do fill with it. Those guidances are there for a reason. It just makes it all the more easier for the person who's checking it as well, and for it to be processed and go through to the other country. So please, please, please do the best you can to follow those instructions. Any questions, just call the person's number that's on the poster. If at any stage the video is going too fast for you, don't forget you can pause it, you can rewind it, and you can forward it on. So do what you need to do. Let's get these shoe boxes out of the way. Good luck! The standard shoebox has a removable lid. This is the easiest type of shoebox to cover for a shoebox appeal. The wrapping paper that I'm using here has markings. This makes it easier to measure out on the other side. Leave excess to fold over into the box. Make sure the markings are the same on the other side and cut straight across. Place your box back into the center of a length of the wrapping paper. Cut your wrapping paper straight into the corner of the shoebox. Use the markings on the paper to guide you. Do the same on the other side and fold into the box. Fold the paper over on the lengthier parts of the box and cut off the excess. Create folds with your wrapping paper over the box so it will sit nice and neatly once you have your glue in place. Use your glue stick on the bottom of the box to keep it nice and strong and firm. Place it to the center of your wrapping paper and fold over all the edges once you have glued it securely. Push everything into place and use excess glue to neaten off any edges to keep it nice and tidy. I've used the wrapping paper here and shredded it. This will cushion the items inside. Fill your box with the gift items. I've also included a packet of sweets in the matching gift wrap. Using the same technique as you did with the box, measure out the wrapping paper just wider than the lid. Glue it securely in place and cut incisions from the corner of the wrapping paper to the corner of the lid. Apply glue all around the sides and fold over. Any excess edges should be tucked in tidily.
أنت هدية من الله لنا بعد انتظار
Place your lid on top and find an elastic. I like to use matching elastic, so here I've got a red one to match my box. Stretch it out, make sure it's the right size and place around your box. Label your box accordingly to what's inside. So mine's for a girl from 11 to 14. I have added a little touch here with a smiley star face emoji. And there we have it, a complete shoebox appeal gift. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like the video.